this quick video, we're going to talk about using price check feature and using customers account manager in Wireless Standard. Price check feature can be used to track what is the price of the product sold and what is the quantity on hand that we have in current location. So to have a look at the price check feature, we can go to sales and choose price check. It opens a price check tool. In the search parameter, we can provide a product ID, UPC, or a serial of the product that we want to check. So we can scan anything here. So let me ring up product. Looks like this is a cell phone, Nokia 1100. We see the price, we see product ID, we see how many are on hand, ordered, and in transit. We can ring up another product to check. This is another cell phone. And for example, for a change, we can ring up an accessory. Looks like this code was not found in the system, so it opens a product manager for us to search. In this case, we can either search manually or we can close product manager and make sure we scan correct code. Alright, this time it's correct. This is a case. Here is a price. So price check is a quick tool to see what we have on hand, if we have on hand this item, and what is the price for this item. Alright, and the second part of this video covers Customer Account Manager. Customer Account Manager can be accessed by clicking on the first icon on the main screen that says Customers. Basically, this is the database of the customers that we have. We can search customers by name or by any of these criteria here. So we can choose all fields, and if we put a star in the search field, which is Shift 8, we can track the whole list for customers and track their activation history, their sale history, any scanned documents that we have for them. To see the receipt, we can click Sales Receipt and print the receipt for the specific transaction specified. The same for activation history. If we choose a customer, we can modify activation information. We can click View Edit to see what this activation covers. Looks like those are already canceled activations, so we're going to choose a different record, for example this one, and click View Edit. For some reason nothing is being selected. Well, let's try this one. Okay, it opens activation screen for this customer. This is the plan activated, contract terms, no phone was sold. We can cancel activation from this screen, or we can change or sell a phone model. We can click on the green arrow where it says phone model, choose a phone model to be sold or linked to this activation by scanning a product here. So let's do this and see what happens. I chose a serial. Now I want to link this serial to this activation and actually sell that phone to the customer. So I'm going to click Exchange Phone, and system will place a product on the shopping list to be sold. If I want to finish the transaction, I will click Checkout, but I don't want to do this. I will cancel transaction. Okay. To create a new customer in the account manager, we'll click New Customer button, which opens a customer screen. By default, mandatory sections are only first name and last name. What else we can do on the account manager is modify an account, a customer. So we can click, while the record is selected, we can click View Edit and modify customer's information. On the settings screen, on the settings tab on the top, we can apply specific price profile to this customer. Price profile can have different pricing for different products for this specific customer. And finally, on the customer care notes, we can track the any notes for this customer and for the activation. We can also place a due date for this activation to follow up with our customer. To add a note, we'll provide the note information and click Add New Note. Follow-up and customer care notes will appear in the customer care reports that is located under Reports, Customers, Customer Care. So if you created customer care notes, they will appear on the customer care report during the due date for this customer, for this activation.